Now I am going to do the abdomen examination. I introduce myself. I am Dr. Karpadesan Hariran. May I know your name and age, please?
I am Samaja Kain, 22.
Now I am going to do the abdomen examination. Is that okay for you?
Okay.
Do you have past history of stomach pain or any stomach surgery?
No.
Okay. These are the apparatus required: stethoscope, pen, scale, and sanitizer. Do you have emptied your bladder?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Now please remove your shirt.
Okay.
Now I am going to place my patient at a supine position and I will cover my patient. Okay. Now I am going to inspect the surface of the stomach. It is flat and rounded, no rashes, no scars, and I am going to inspect the umbilicus. It is normal, no inflammation. Now I am going to do the auscultation. Before examining, I can warm up my step. I place my step at the 4th quadrant to hear the bubble sound. I can hear the vowel sound. Next, I am going to check the renal artery, iliac artery, and femoral artery. It is normal. Now I am going to do the percussion. Before percussion, I warm up my hand. And I use my left middle finger as a fleximeter and right middle finger as a flexor to percuss the tympani and dullness. It is normal. Now I am going to do the palpation. Before palpation, I warm my hand. There are two types of palpation. One is light palpation, another one is deep palpation. Sir, please be relaxed. Okay, now I am going to do the light palpation. Do you feel any pain? Okay, I did not find any abdominal tenderness or extra muscles. Now I am going to do the deep palpation. I use my both hands. Do you feel any pain? Okay, it is normal. Now I am going to check the liver. I am going to do the percussion. I identify the lower border of dullness in the midcalcular line. Okay. Now I am going to identify the upper border of liver dullness. Now I will okay, it is 9 centimeter. It is normal. Now I am going to check the spleen, and I am going to start with the percussion. I percuss the left lower anterior chest wall at the 6th rib in the left axial line. It's okay. Now I am going to do the palpation. I place my left hand in the left lower rib cage, and I place my right hand in the left costal margin and moves towards the spleen. Okay, sir, can you please side over? Okay, it's done. Now I am going to check the kidney, and I am going to do the palpation. I move towards the left side of the patient. I place my right hand behind the patient at 12th rib, and I place my left hand in the left upper quadrant. Sir, can you please take deep breath? Okay, it's okay. Now I am going to check the right side of the kidney by the same procedure. I place my left hand behind the 12th rib, and I place the right hand in the right upper quadrant. So can you please take deep breath? Okay, it's fine. The kidney is slightly tenderness. Now I am going to do the percussion tenderness of the kidney. Sir, can you please sit comfortably? Okay. Now I am going to strike the vertebrae by using the left ulnar surface. I can hear the stud sound. So can you please? Now I am going to examine the aorta. I am checking for the abdominal aortic aneurysm. I place my both hand in upper abdominal region. I can feel the pulsation of aorta. I am going to do special techniques asides. There is two types. One is test for shifting dullness. Another one is test for fluid wave. I am going to do the test for shifting dullness. I percuss the several part of the abdomen. So can you slide over? It is normal. Now I am going to do the test for fluid wave. It is normal. Sir, abdominal examination is over. Do you need any clarification?
No.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.